Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a fun video guys that will actually transform your BMW for just a few dollars guys. We're going to explain about those M Perfromace decal stickers for the wheels. They have them in two different colors. It makes your car look really good. Stay with us, we'll explain how to apply it so it can stick and it will not come off. Now before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly guys take them apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. On BMWs we will have more than 1000 videos. We constantly work on them. We take engines apart, transmission, bodies, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything to save you money. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you need to buy any parts too for your BMW or any car, you want to save a really good amount of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools supplies from, and you can get them at a good price. So what we have here, let's explain now. This is guys the sticker that we have, the M Perfromace decals. Those are amazing. They have them in silver and black. I bought black for the X4, silver for the F10 that we have right here. We're going to apply it right here. That's the original M sticker. We're going to be painting the brakes soon, and between the valve stem and the M sticker we'll put it about 90 degrees on the inner rim right here. So we'll get rubbing alcohol, and we're going to wipe it really good to make sure that there is no grease, no wax, anything like that, no brake dust. Always use gloves when you're working around brake dust too. Let it dry guys, it's very important to let it dry. And when we do that, we're going to go ahead, okay, get the decal now. We need to center it really good to make sure that it's where it's supposed to be, right? So I think like that will be perfect. And okay, I almost sticked it to the wheel before I even applied it. So we're going to apply it like that. Press in. Check out guys the difference. That thing is amazing. It makes your wheel look so high-end, and they just cost only a few dollars for the whole set guys. So check it out. We'll put the link where we got them from if you want to check it out. Just quick video for any of you that want to improve the appearance of your BMW. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.